Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove grimace shape from TikTok. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok and took a screenshot of the video. Once you done that, you simply need to go back and open any browser and search for object remove from picture. So click on that and you need to open any website. So I'm going to open the first one and tap here to load your image. Select your image, click on done. Okay, click on continue with SD, and here you need to adjust your brush size. So and then you need to select this and click on clean, and it will take a few seconds, and after that it will remove this. So here you can see that. So this is the process, and from here you can download. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.